Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Box. I'm your host Brandon, and today on Squadron TV, I'm happy to show you this SBD-2 Dauntless from Flyhawk models in 72 scale. So let's take a look and see what's in this box. And looks like it comes with a sticky note pad with a faded ship model or ship in the background. So you've got that to make notes on as well. This kit's really nice from Flyhawk models, molded and tooled up by Flyhawk. Very nice kit. Make sure to go get one today at www.squadron.com.